Alright everybody, good morning and welcome back to another vlog. And in this one, we're at an event that I've never been to before. It's called Delta Time Classics. It's happening just south of Montreal in a little airfield. Should be pretty interesting. I think it's a smaller show, but still should see some pretty cool cars, hopefully. So let's see what happens. Alright, everybody, and just like that, the event's over, we're done, we're out of here. Event ends at noon, it's like 11:20 now. A lot of the cars are heading out though, so I might as well head out as well. Overall though, pretty cool event. We had a couple Skylines come out. There was the Clown Shoe, the BMW. That was awesome to see. Really cool car. really cool to get photos of it. I was really happy with that. A couple of the classic trucks were also pretty cool. And overall, a good selection. Not a massive meet, not like Epic or Classics or anything else, but it was good enough. Got some cool shots, got some cool clips, so yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. And with that, I'm going to leave it here. You guys have already seen the photos. I'm hungry. I'm going to go get some food. And yeah, I'm going to leave it here. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment if you like. And with all that out of the way, I will see you in the next one.